Shubor naga Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka headquarters 101 area jong ki Shipai Nyngkong kari India. Kila rakhi ka jingdap handrup Snem mentak sengi hasilong. Lasdang de ka jingle buram ni ki Shipai ki bala IT la ka jingim na ka benta kari hasilong War Memorial Rhino do Lieutenant General RP Kalita General Officer Commanding in Chief Eastern Command jong ki Shipai India ha ka jingidan lang jong Major General RK Jha Officiating General Officer Commanding 101 area but ki Shipai ke headquarters 101 area. Lasdang ye ke headquarter 101 area ha ka arfu artrik uyayong khat khandai spa henry phulai but ha ka to ko por la tip ye ka kum ka 101 communication zone kajing sedang ye ne kalong hadin kajing her Thma ki Shipai China ye ki India house nem khat khandai spa henry puar but kajing thmu jong ka 101 communication zone kalong ban ai jing kershan ya baro ki len Shipai ki bedan ha ka than chetailam mi ngi Henry watla kalong tang ka Tnat ban ai jingerap ki Shipai jong ka 101 area ki le shimbenta ha ka jing khon persha ya ki le no hamizoram nado usnem khat khandai spa henry phunreu hado usnem khat khandai spa henry phu khandai Haka Thma ban penlai lo ya ke East Pakistan ha usnem khat khandai spa hanyo phu wei ki Shipai ke headquarters 101 area ki le shimbenta ha ka jing khun hasil head but Minmen Singh district but ki dei ki Nyngkong ban poi hanong ba Dhaka ha ka step jong ka khan reu tarik unok pra khat khandai spa hanyo phu wei pada ka pormen sngi ki Shipai Pakistan kila pendem yaladi namar kata yegine ke headquarters 101 area laju khotru kum ka first in Dhaka naka Snem shaka Snem ki Shipai ka 101 area kila nang penjanai ya ka kam haga jing ai jing arab ya ki weipat ki Shipai ki badan hagi jaka ki balong shakendong bar ki benta khaput jong ka than chatai lam mi ngi UGOC NC Eastern Command ula ai khubule ya baro ki Shipai ka 101 area namar ka jingtre shitom nakabenta kari India hagni ka sni la plepat baru ya ki dormau jong Major General Gurbaks Singh Gill baru Major General Gandharv Nagara ki badai ki GOC ka 101 area haga por jong ka Thma house nem khat khandai spa hanyo puwei nakaliang Lieutenant General RP Kalita ula pediang ru ki Shipai ki bale shimbenta haga Rhino Riders Motorcycle Rally bala penlong de headquarters 101 area yagane ka rally la play da ulat ke jella haga khandai tarik uyayong 8000 arpulai kini ki Shipai ki ba shong de ki thok thok kilale chiki benta jong ka Meghalaya Assam Mizoram Manipur Nagaland but Arunachal Pradesh ha ka bakili yakendo yaki samla ki Shipai bala shong thai but kiwei
Also, I see 7 to अंत में आप सभी से अनुरोध देवी और सज्जनों मेजर जनरल गुरबख्श सिंह गिल परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल मेजर जनरल गंधर्व चंद्र नागरा करें
मोटरसाइकिल रैली का फ्लैग करें और समापन घोषित करें। मोटरसाइकिल रैली के बहादुर राइडर्स का
Agent sir, Kalan officer, report to 1 I mean, yes. Okay.
मानवान एरिया के ऑफिशिएटिंग जॉइंट ऑफिसर कमांडिंग चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ, सभी ऑफिसर्स, सरदार साहिबान, जवान, भूतपूर्व सैनिक और मीडिया के दोस्तों, सबसे पहले मैं हेडक्वार्टर 101 एरिया के रेजिंग के डायमंड जुबली के अवसर पर उपस्थित सभी रैंक्स और उनके परिवार के सभी सदस्यों को बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। साथ ही मैं उन वीरों और उनके परिवारों को भी नमन करता हूं जिनके बलिदान के पश्चात 101 एरिया का नाम इतिहास में स्वर्णिम अक्षर से लिखा गया है। ये आज के पीढ़ी के लिए जरूरी है कि हम उन वीरों को हमेशा याद रखें, क्योंकि उनका मेहनत और कठिन परिश्रम का नतीजा है कि आज हम लोग सर उठा के जी रहे हैं। जैसे कि मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनी ने बताया, हेडक्वार्टर 101 एरिया ने खुद का गौरवशाली इतिहास एवं समृद्ध परंपराओं के साथ युद्ध एवं शांति दोनों स्थितियों में उच्चतम स्तर पर स्थापित किया है। 1971 की लड़ाई में भारत पाक युद्ध के दौरान 101 एरिया ने जो काम किया था वो हम सबको मालूम है, जिसके पश्चात 101 एरिया को फर्स्ट इन ढाका के नाम से पुकारा जाता है। साथ ही उसके बाद भी 101 एरिया ने ईस्टर्न कमांड के पूरे इलाके में ऑपरेशनल लॉजिस्टिक सपोर्ट का एक महत्वपूर्ण कार्य कर रहे हैं और मुझे पक्का भरोसा है कि आने वाले दिन भी कोई भी कठिन स्थितियों का सामना करने के लिए 101 एरिया के सभी पद हमेशा तत्पर रहेंगे और हमेशा तैयार रहेंगे। आप सबको मालूम है, आजकल हेडक्वार्टर 101 एरिया नॉर्दर्न बॉर्डर्स की रक्षा करने वाले के जो सैनिक टुकड़ी है उनका लास्ट माइल डिलीवरी की जिम्मेदारी दिया गया है। साथ ही वायुसेना एवं थल सेना के जॉइंट ने स्थापित करते हुए जॉइंट लॉजिस्टिक नोड को बाधा रहित लॉजिस्टिक सप्लाई को बखूबी निभाया है। हमने हाल ही में पूरी नॉर्थ ईस्ट में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट पर भारी जोर दिया है। स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्था का सुधार करते हुए गुवाहाटी स्थित 151 बेस हॉस्पिटल को एक सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल बनाने का काम प्रगति पर है। हम सबको मालूम है 101 एरिया एक ऐसा माध्यम है जो कि पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स के सभी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ आपसी तालमेल के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। इसके कारण स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी बढ़ चढ़कर 101 एरिया, 51 सब एरिया और 41 सब एरिया के साथ अपनी सहायता दे रही है। हाल ही में पिछले साल 101 एरिया के नेतृत्व में हमने पूर्वोत्तर स्वाभिमान उत्सव गुवाहाटी में ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, जो सभी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स को एक कड़ी में जोड़ा है। 101 एरिया इसके साथ ही नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स के सभी स्टेट में जो भूतपूर्व सैनिक है उनके कल्याण की भी जिम्मेदारी है। 101 एरिया के प्रयासों के तहत भूतपूर्व सैनिकों के वेलफेयर मेजर्स में काफी सारे सुधार हुए हैं। खास तौर पे मैं बताना चाहूँगा, ECHS की जो सुविधा है उसके नए हॉस्पिटल के एम्पेनलमेंट के लिए, मेडिकल कॉलेजेस के एम्पेनलमेंट के लिए काफ़ी सारा प्रयास किया गया है और इस विषय में काफ़ी सारे सफलता भी मिलेंगे। लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ इसमें और भी बहुत सारे काम करना है। हमें हमेशा अपने वेटरन्स और वीर नारियों के साथ मिलके उनके वेलफेयर के लिए काम करना है। आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं चाहता हूं कि हमारे सभी फॉर्मेशन एवं यूनिटों के सभी पद अपने अपने कार्य क्षेत्र में निपुण हो एवं समय समय पर अपने आप को मॉडर्न वॉर फाइटिंग के अनुसार ट्रेन करते रहे, जिससे समय आने पर हम सभी युद्ध में या किसी भी विषम परिस्थिति का सामना कर सके और देश की उम्मीदों पर खड़ा उतर सके। मैं एक बार पुनः हमारे वीर सेनानियों का हार्दिक नमन करता हूं, जिनके कारण 101 एरिया के गौरवशाली अतीत की उपलब्धियों को भारतीय सेना के इतिहास में सुनहरे अक्षर से लिखा गया है। उनके द्वारा प्रदर्शित बेजोड़ क्षमता, त्याग और कर्तव्य निष्ठा से ही यह उच्चतम स्तर प्राप्त हुआ है। अंत में मैं 101 एरिया के सभी रैंक्स को इस डायमंड जुबली के शुभ अवसर पर सुनहरे भविष्य एवं बेहतर स्वास्थ्य की शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। जय हिंद।
South Arunachal Pradesh is definitely a part of India. That has been clearly stated in various articulation that has come out from our government, and there are certain different perception of the lines of actual control, that is the border between India and Tibet as far as Arunachal and all across the north borders is concerned, because of which there are certain times escalations which take place between both sides when we go to carry out regular patrolling activities. But there are 5 agreements in place between India and our army and the Chinese, and all these problems, whenever anything happens, are resorting to these existing protocols and laid down provisions. So last 1 year we have seen a stable security situation along the northern borders as well in Arunachal as well as in Sikkim. However, we are constantly monitoring the situation, and our armed forces are prepared to deal with any contingencies that may arise along the northern borders.
But so like
Can we have some?
yeah,
You see, Indian Army or armed forces carry out operation within own states only at the request of the state government and the central government when the situation goes beyond the control of the police. So similarly, that was the situation in Mizoram in 60s, because of which the armed forces were brought in, and Armed Forces Special Power Act was enacted at that point of time, wherein Army had operated one communication zone, had supervised those operations from 66 to 69, and you see the fruits of those operations that was carried out. Because of those operations, now peace has prevailed in Mizoram. Now you see a stable government which is taking place, state government which is running the normal governance in Mizoram. So peace has come in. That was only because of these operations. I think at times, certain times you need to take certain harsh steps to ensure sovereignty of your own country. I think that was part of that particular task which we had to perform. Similarly, wherever there is a question or threat to the sovereignty of the country, definitely all instruments of power, whether it is armed forces, whether it is diplomacy, all instruments of power of the nation will come into play. And alongside there will be talks also, parleys also going on in the groups. Everything had to go on simultaneously. So it's a comprehensive approach towards resolution of the problem, so that we live as a peaceful country and prosper. It's a proud privilege and honor for me to be present here when 101 area celebrates the Diamond Jubilee of the raising of the headquarters. As you have been told that this headquarters were raised after the 1962 operations, realizing the necessity of having an headquarters that controls all the logistics in the entire northeastern states. So I think they have evolved since 1963 in the last 60 years. And apart from, of course, taking part in 1971 war as also conduct of counter-insurgency operations in Mizoram. They have been at the forefront of providing the operational logistic support to all our troops deployed in Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, all these places. And that's a commendable job that has been done by 101 area in difficult terrain under trying circumstances. And I would compliment the presenting as well as the people who have worked here before for their contribution. Transformational change into the HR management, human resources management of the Indian Armed Forces by changing the entire recruitment pattern. So it has started off, and the first batch is about to complete the training. The second batch has also started training. And here in Shillong, we have got the Assam Regimental Center as well as the Gurkha Training Center, where we have 2 batches of English training. I have just spoken to and interacted with the young boys who have been carrying out training, and they are very, very energetic and motivated that they have got an opportune moment, an opportunity to serve the armed forces and serve the nation. I think it's a good project, a good scheme which has taken off, and I'm sure it will stabilize as we go along.
So are these agnevis fit to take on the Chinese or the external forces, especially in the region?
They are designed, they are like a normal soldier. They will be joining all the trades and including the general duties, and they will be joining all the arms and services, and whatever duties are required to be performed, they will be performing those duties for 4 years during the contractual period in which they will be serving in the armed forces. So they are like normal soldiers. And then thereafter 25% of them, as per the merit and the option given, will be retained, will be joining the permanent cadre of the armed forces. See, Vibrant Village program is one of the program for infrastructure development in our own country. What the China is doing, what PLA is doing, that is being constantly monitored. But what we are trying to do, what our nation is trying to do, is have a comprehensive package for infrastructure development to ensure that our connectivity to the forward areas improve, and as also the villagers who are living in those remote areas are also given the facilities that are existing in the plains and in the other developed areas. So I think Vibrant Village is one of that, part of that project.
The first army which reached Bangladesh liberated. How do you view the situation now? I mean, like that country is going for elections very soon.
Yeah, Bangladesh is an independent country now. It's been there since more than 50 years now. And I think it's a democratic country. And if you look at various economic parameters and all, I think economically also Bangladesh has made a lot of strides and improved their economic conditions. And elections is a normal process in a democracy, so I think that will take place. I would not like to comment about the elections.
Okay. And then in Myanmar, the situation is very futile. There's a fight between the juntas against the communities, the ethnic communities there. On the other end, in Manipur, key groups like they have abrogated the ceasefire. How do you view the situation? This is a hot pot boiling, I mean.
Actually, our nation traditionally has never been in favor of any form of violence in the society. Whether it is perpetrated by a particular group of people or by state, we have always been against any form of violence or terrorism. So, condition in Myanmar is the pro-democracy forces are fighting against the Myanmar army who are currently ruling the country. There are certain issues which crop up in the border areas. When the fighting takes place close to our border, we have Myanmar population migrating to our areas to escape from that fighting which takes place. And our job is to ensure that nobody with arms come into our country. And all the unarmed people are given shelter by the state governments in these areas. And then thereafter, as and when they are killed, they are pushed back to their own territory.
How long will this take, sir? I mean, like, how do you say?
It's difficult for me to predict because it's a different country and I won't be able to predict how long it is going to take.